Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Virgin Media Wi-Fi port in 2026. So first of all, before plugging the port, you need to choose a spot roughly halfway between your Virgin Media hub and the room with poor Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it behind any furniture, inside any cabinets, or near the large electronic appliances. After doing so, the second thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Wi-Fi port to the wall socket, and then you just have to simply turn the power on. Now, if you have the newer black port, you can connect the power adapter and then you can press the power switch on the back. Now the port will automatically connect to your Virgin Media Hub 3, 4, 5 or even 5x, and you don't need to manually enter any Wi-Fi passwords or configure network settings. So once it is connected successfully, the light will normally turn off. Leave the port in that situation in some location and allow it some time to learn your network. Now, Virgin Media recommends giving the ports up to 24 hours to fully optimize the coverage and performance throughout your home. You can also open the Virgin Media application on your phone, and here inside the app you are going to see the status of your hub, whether it is online. It will also show the signal strength, the network health, and it will also help you confirm that everything is working correctly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.